So this is a chicken and chorizo soup in the Ninja Soup Maker. So we'll use some boneless chicken thighs, chopped tomatoes, some chopped chorizo, a red onion, or you could use a brown onion, a green pepper, likewise you can use any colour pepper, a potato, some smoked paprika, and then finally a chicken stock pot or cube. So start by adding the chopped potatoes, no need to peel them, then the chopped peppers, onion and crushed garlic into the soup maker jug, then the chopped up chorizo. You can obviously use a different type of chorizo and chop it up yourself. Then the smoked paprika, so I add about a teaspoon. Then the chopped up raw chicken, so I've used boneless chicken thighs, but you could use chicken breasts if you prefer. I just prefer to use the thighs. Then the chopped tomatoes, or it could be crushed, or passata, or even fresh tomatoes. And then a chicken stock pot or cube. And then top up to the line with hot water. And then I do like to just give it a little stir to make sure nothing is stuck to the bottom or trapped anywhere. And then we'll be popping the lid on and setting the soup maker off on the chunky cycle. If you want a printout of this recipe, just head down to the description below and there'll be a link over to Liana's kitchen where you can print it out. Also be a link to my digital soup maker recipe book or my book that's available on Amazon. So when it's finished, you can check the consistency and see if it's to your liking. You could always do a quick pulse or blend at the end to change it a little bit. And then that's it, chicken and chorizo soup in the Ninja Soup Maker. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes.